In less than 5 minutes, you're gonna get an overview of the Forex, crypto, and the stock markets with the hot stories that can have an impact on your investment strategy. Hi, it's Investiva and your investment coach, Kiana. And before we get started with this week's hot topics, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button to get my Investiva updates as soon as we publish them. Let's start with the Forex market. As the future of Brexit is beginning to look more bearable, the British pound was able to enjoy one of the most positive weeks in a very long time. Reports from the Bank of England also made traders more optimistic about the pound, even as the other currencies were also able to have a productive week. Well, most of them. The Japanese yen in particular outperformed almost every other currency. With the minutes from the Bank of Japan expected to be released later this week, we'll have to see whether this trend continues or reverts back to normal. Both the US dollar and the Canadian dollar experienced weeks of market by a series of ups and downs. This week, traders will be paying close attention to a speech from Fed Chairman Jerome Powell, as well as developing trade tensions with China. In fact, it seems trade tensions with China have become a bit of a theme in the Forex trading world, directly affecting both the Aussie dollar and the Kiwi dollar as well. The two comdols have been the victims of the tensions so far on the Forex dance floor. Next is the crypto market. One of the biggest crypto stories to open up this week was Fidelity's decision to introduce crypto trading services within the next few weeks. Fidelity is just one of many major banks that has recently begun exploring the world of crypto, which has helped promote the industry as a whole. Bitcoin enjoyed another productive week, starting the week around $5,300 and eventually breaking the $5,800 mark for the first time since last November. As we have come to expect by now, most other major cryptocurrencies were also able to rally in response. Other positive news for the industry came from Europe as MasterCard began seeking approval for the use of crypto debit card. The card can be used anywhere that MasterCard is accepted and make it easier to use cryptocurrency while shopping. If this whole crypto MasterCard project is a success, we can expect to see similar cards pop up elsewhere around the world as well. If you have any questions about how to get started with cryptocurrency investing, don't forget to get my book, Cryptocurrency Investing for Dummies, for free on Investiva.com. Last but not least is the stock market. Last week was a sluggish week for both the Dow and the S&P 500, with both major indexes ending the week right around where they started. Both indexes are also open with major drops on Monday, something that likely was because of the ongoing trade issues with China and other tensions relating to global oil prices and ongoing issues with Iran and the whole Israel and Gaza thing are also kind of impacting the stock market. On the bright side, the US jobs report for April was considered better than expected, giving the stock traders a reason to be excited. Wage growth has also been moving in a positive direction alongside a relatively limited level of inflation. The release of corporate earnings reports from last week caused a few ups and downs movements within the market, but prices generally remain unaffected. The important things to watch out for this week include the speech from Jerome Powell, developing tariff agreements with China, and a bunch of small reports. Don't forget to become a PIG member by visiting Investiva.com to get my personal strategies about all these markets every single week, where I go live and tell the PIG members what I'm doing. Thank you so much for watching Investiva, and remember, make your money work for you.